Whether you're using a personal or a company page account, you have one free job post on LinkedIn. If you're hiring more than one role at any time, you have to opt for paid listings. While free job posts on LinkedIn appear in search results for 30 days, after that, they are tagged as expired and paused. LinkedIn will also pause the job earlier if you receive a certain number of applicants, and the cap could vary according to the niche and the location you're hiring in. If you want to keep receiving applicants, you have to promote your job posts. You can set up a daily or an overall budget to sponsor the post. It is priced on a pay-per-click model, and LinkedIn offers rates that depend on job title, industry, and geographical location. You can add the budget while you're creating the job post and after posting in the job. If you want to create a promoted job post from scratch, you can start by adding the job details and specify if you want a free or a promoted listing during the process. Here's a quick rundown. Log into your account and go to your homepage. Click on the work icon at the top right corner of your screen. Select Post a Job. Then add some job details. Write the job description and add relevant skills. Choose how you'd like to receive applicants on the applicant options page. We recommend using an ATS such as Workello that allows you to funnel all of your candidates into one single place, separated by status, where you can very quickly review them, test them, invite them to interviews, and even send offers without ever leaving the platform. Then it's time to choose the budget. You can choose between daily or total budget. If you choose the daily option, you'll be charged the selected amount every single day until you pause or close the job ad. And in case you went with total, LinkedIn will keep promoting your job listing until the budget is spent. Click on Promote the Job and enter your payment details. If you want to promote an existing job post, here's how to do it. Go to your LinkedIn homepage and then hit the Jobs tab. Click on Manage Job Posts button. Find the job you want to promote. Click Manage Job to edit your listing. And finally, choose your budget. Daily or total, completely up to you. Click on Promote Job and complete the payment. You can revisit this dashboard anytime to increase or decrease the budget of a promoted post or close or pause the job, even if your budget is not spent. LinkedIn follows a 30-day billing cycle that is calculated from the first day you promote a job on the platform. If you promote more jobs during this period, the billing date will be applied to the rest of the posts. As of now, the only way to reset your billing cycle is to close all jobs and post a new promoted listing on a strategic date. If you want to turn off promotions for LinkedIn posts, you can just close it or pause it.